Hello everyone, it's 2:50 a.m. and it suddenly struck me that this week, instead of doing a sit down scripted video, I'm just going to do a random vlog. I'm at my home for a bit. I'm in Calcutta. That's a very messy background, a table full of books. But yeah, this is what this vlog is going to be all about. Spontaneous, random, unscripted moments without a proper set. So basically I'm going to stitch in some of my favorite moments from this week. There's a wedding that I'm going to attend tomorrow. I'm going to go to the parlor after a year, I think, to get my hair done. I'll be meeting my friends and hopefully also get some work done. So I hope that you will enjoy this very random but really spontaneous, heartfelt vlog. Hi guys, so I'm going to the parlor now after a year. I'm just going to do a hair spa because my hair is in this state. Then I have a wedding invitation in the evening. This is the AirPod. I have the review up on my channel. A lot of you bought this on my recommendation. Check that out if you're looking for an earpod. It's really good. And why I don't go to parlors is, yeah, so as I was saying, the very reason I started trying out so many hair care products at home was because I hate going to parlors and I get really bored. So now I'm carrying my earpods so that at least music can keep me engaged. Yeah, that's what I just wanted to say. How are you guys doing?